Howdy, good morning, YouTube everybody who's stopping by this channel. I got the 2015 Chevy Cruze with very low mileage, 77,000 miles, and have many problems already. Okay, today is not thing that very serious. It's just thermostat. Okay, thermostat. So I'm gonna replace thermostat. What happened is leaked by the thermostat. So I think that the thermostat housing built in with the thermostat, just like BMW and some other manufacturer like European vehicle, and that's why it got problem right here. It's not like all the cars that have a housing and with the thermostat in. This is housing with the thermostat is different, okay, in plastic, so it's got leaked, and that will be leaked from right there. I'm not sure my camera can see. Is right here, okay, right here. What you have to do using a flat screwdriver or a I think 8mm socket to untain that. Also right here to untain right here, and then yank it from down here. Just twist it, play around, pull out. Be careful. Sometimes this is dry out, they crack too, so you have to be careful. Something like this to pry right here, or if you have something that your hand can press right here, this right here, and then press and slowly pull out, and it just came out because it hold by this too right here. Just pry a little bit down here where the snap. Okay, just pry this open. It kind of like you press this doesn't do much to it, so just pull right here and then that will pop out. Pull this retainer here, okay, pull this one up. You can leave it like that or just take out all the way. Take this retainer out, play around with it, and pull this all the way out. And you have 3 bolts of this, 1 in the bottom and 2 on the side here. To take that out is a E10. You can using a short extension like this, like me, a flax like this will be work perfectly, okay. And you're using drill to do it fast work. This broken, see that? Everything's pop out already. That's bad design for Chevy. I don't know why they have to copy European stuff. They never last any longer than their own product. Okay, get the retainer out here or just twist around. Sometimes that's not that hard to come out. Pull that out. The gasket is bad. Not just the gasket, but the housing is cracked, and that's why pop out the thermostat spring out too. See how the new one, okay, so the other one totally broke off from here. That's why the spring is came off. So plastic like this, no bueno, no bueno. So to put it back, you don't have to wash me because you already know how I'm taking this off already, but you can continue wash until I'm done. But to put it back, it's very simple because you already see I take them out already. You will reverse exactly what you take them out. So now just push this back up and make sure you put your bolt inside here. Okay, that is holding. This flax is pretty cheap, and they actually work pretty good too. They have over there for like a couple dollars only, like 10, 20, 10 or $15, I think. Okay. Okay. Back to manually tight. Don't do too much. Plastic cheap, it will crack. They should have aluminum housing. You know, plastic is cheap. Okay, that's done. So put this back up. The reason you had to take this out because that bolt right there, okay? Make sure you hear a click on that. Same thing, make sure you check the O-ring inside here to see it's healthy, it's good. And you clip on that and put the retainer back in. Just slide this in. That's it. Okay, and then this one snap in this side also. Alright, you can use a socket, it's faster. Tight already. Now time to put water in. After you fill your reservoir tanks up, just go crank it up and bleed it a little bit until it's bubbles clear. Then you can close down the lid. And also check for any signs of leaking over here. If there's no leaking and when the car gets into a normal temperature, then just shut the vehicles off and it's done. Okay? Alright, thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye bye now.